Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Howlogical. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to Airbnb a camper. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to Airbnb a camper, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first. And after opening the Airbnb, you will see this bar. Below the search bar, just simply scroll at this bar and then you will get to see a lot of options into here. You just simply have to keep scrolling until you see this camper vans option. Now scroll to camper van and now you can see so many camper vans option into here. Just simply scroll until you like a camper van and the price, and after getting the camper van that you are searching, just simply select that camper van. Then after selecting that, you can simply tap into this reserve button at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get to see all of the details into here. You can add your payment method at first and then add the phone number. Then after adding this, you just simply have to tap into confirm and pay option and you are all set to Airbnb a camper. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.